This is an Entry 1 Functional Skills Maths paper from NCFE. It's split into two parts. In the first part you can't use a calculator, but you can in the second part. This is the first part, Activity 1, Go into the stables. Dylan wants to spend a day at the stables. Dylan goes to the stables. He goes 2 days after Monday. On which day does Dylan go to the stables? So we've got Monday, and then we have Tuesday, and then we have Wednesday. So 1 day after Monday, that is Tuesday. 2 days after Monday, that is Wednesday. So Wednesday is the answer. Dylan arrives at the stables at 8 o'clock. Which clock shows when he arrives at the stables? Tick your answer. So we need to look at the shorthand which tells us the hours. This is 10, not 8. This is 9. This is 7. This is 8 o'clock. So option D is the correct one. Dylan hires a riding hat and riding boots. Riding hat, £8. Riding boots, £5. What is the total cost? So we need to add 5 to the 8. So from the 8, if we add 1, it's going to go to 9. Another one is going to go to 10, then 11, then 12, then 13. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them being added. So that is the total cost, £13. It's like doing 8 add 5. Dylan sees these horses in a field. How many horses are there? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 horses. The stables have 17 horses. Write 17 in numbers. So 17. This is the end of the first part. This is now the second part of the paper. From now on you can use a calculator. Activity 2, Cleaning stables. Dylan helps to clean the stables. Dylan uses a wheelbarrow to clean the stables. Tick all of the wheelbarrows that are full. So this one is full, this one is full, this one is full, this one is full. So that's all of them. 4 of them are full. Dylan fills buckets with water. Which bucket has the least amount of water? Tick your answer. So looking at these, this one has the least amount of water. The rest of them have more. Dylan keeps a tally of the jobs he does. He cleans 7 stables. He cleans 4 saddles. Complete the tally chart. So clean stable says 7 stables. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clean saddle, he cleans 4 saddles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Dylan buys a drink. He needs a £1 coin. He chooses coin A. Is Dylan correct? Give a reason for your answer. So he wants £1, a £1 coin. This is 1 pence. This is £2. This is £1. And this is 2 pence. So is Dylan correct? No, that's just 1 pence. Activity 3, grooming horses. Dylan brushes some horses. Dylan brushes a horse. He uses the brush above the sponge. Take the brush Dylan uses. So above the sponge. Right, so here is the sponge. Above that, that's this one. This list shows how much time each horse and each pony is brushed for. Who brushed a pony for 15 minutes? So we're looking at pony only. Pony, that is 12. Pony, 15 minutes. So it's this one, that's Eve. Dylan brushes 5 horses in the morning. He brushes 4 horses in the afternoon. How does Dylan work out the total number of horses he brushes? Tick your answer. So the total means adding them together. So we've got 5 and the 4. So 5 add 4 equals. So that is option C. The other options don't work in this particular case. Which horse has the longest tail? Looking at the length of the tail, this is option B. Dylan needs to wash 16 brushes. He washes 4 brushes. How many brushes does Dylan still need to wash? So 16, if we take away the 4, we can do this in the calculator, and that will be 12, the answer. Activity 4, riding. Dylan helps with riding lessons. Dylan sets up the horse jumps. Which jump has triangles on it? Tick your answer. Triangles, that is this one here, because it has triangles. So option B. Dylan gets these 2 saddles, saddle 1 and saddle 2. What does Dylan say about the saddles? Tick your answer. Saddle 1 is larger than saddle 2. Is that the case? No, it's not. Saddle 1 is the same size as saddle 2. That's definitely not the case. Saddle 2 is smaller than saddle 1. Again, that is not the case, because saddle 2 is bigger. Saddle 2 is larger than saddle 1, and that's the correct answer. The stables are only open in spring, summer and autumn. In which season are the stables closed? So we have 4 seasons in the year. We've got spring, summer, autumn and winter. Winter is missing here, so that's the season when the stables are closed. Dylan rides the tallest horse. Which is the tallest horse? Tick your answer. Looking at them, this seems to be the tallest in comparison to the rest. So option C is the correct one. Dylan looks at the number of riding lessons in the diary. Dylan thinks most lessons are on Wednesday. Is it correct? Give a reason for your answer. So we've got Monday with 11, Tuesday 7, Wednesday 12, Thursday 8, and Friday 13. Which number is the highest? That is 13, which is on Friday. So he's wrong, it's not on Wednesday. So we're going to say no, it's on Friday. And this is the end of the paper.